Good afternoon all of you. Today we will be doing the experiment transformer oil testing. Okay. So this is a device, this is actually a transformer oil test kit. Okay. And using this kit we are going to test the dielectric strength of a transformer oil. As we all know, the one purpose of the transformer oil is to provide insulation between winding, right? So with this experiment we are actually going to check the withstanding property, the voltage withstanding capability of transformer oil. Okay, so this is the apparatus, or this is the testing kit that we are providing. Now let's see into it. So we will be having a glass lid. So here you can just open it, and inside this you can see two electrodes or two terminals. So with these two terminals, actually we are providing very high voltage to the transformer oil. So in between these two terminals or these two electrodes, very high voltage is being developed. And we do have one more case like this. Okay, and here you can see a transformer oil is being filled in this case. And you can see that here you can see inside we do have two electrodes, and this transformer oil is being filled in this case, and here we have two electrodes, and the distance between these two electrodes can be adjusted. Let's see how we can adjust the distance. Here you can see a metal rod. Here one side, the thickness here it is 2.5 mm, and the other side here it is 4 mm. Okay, and you can see here, I can insert this rod like this. I can tight these electrodes so that it gets fixed. So which means the thickness or width here it is 2.5 mm, which means the distance between the two electrodes within this transformer oil is 2.5 mm. Okay. Now we can keep this case along with this transformer oil between the two terminals or the two electrodes. And now we can close it with this lid. So now you can see the two electrodes, and between these two electrodes in the case we have provided the transformer oil, and to these two terminals or to these two electrodes we are providing very high voltage, and we are going to check how far this transformer oil can withstand, how far voltage this transformer oil can withstand. Now next is let's close this lid. And here and in this main terminal you can see so many switches. Here you can see a voltmeter which will indicate the applied voltage or the voltage that we are providing to the terminals of the transformer oil. Okay, and here it is just like in our auto transformer, this is a knob for adjusting the voltage, applied voltage. And here we do have a memory tab, and this is an indicator which indicates the HT. Here it is written as HT on. HT on means high tension on. This is actually an indication to ensure safety, or in order to make us understand that your HT is on. Now here we do have a push button. This push button is used for turning on this high tension, and this is actually for additional support in order to turn off this HT. And this is a main switch. So these are the switches that is being there in this kit. Now let's see let's share the step-by-step procedure. In the step-by-step procedure, the first step is we need to switch on the main. We need to switch on the main supply by ensuring that your auto transformer or this knob is in the minimum position. We can switch it on. After that, you can just clear this memory if any with by resetting this memory. But this is actually just like a push button. And after that, everything is reset and all. You can turn on your HT. So once this HT is on, you can see this red light is glowing. Red indicator shows the response. Okay. So after that, you can vary this knob gradually. So while varying this knob, you can see the variation in the voltmeter also, and which means that much voltage is being applied between the terminals of this transformer oil. And by varying this voltage, at a particular voltage, you can see a flashover in the transformer oil, which indicates at that voltage the insulation property of the transformer is lost. Okay, so that is the concept of this experiment. Now let's start this experiment. So our power supply is switched on. Power supply is switched on. Now again ensuring your lid is closed, then this auto transformer or this knob is in the minimum position. It is being ensured. Then the first step is switch on the main. I am switching on the main supply. You can see a green indicator which indicates the main supply is on. In order to ensure zero memory, that means memory values are clear, I am just resetting this memory button. Here no memory is there here. So I have just refreshed it for the sake. Now next step is we need to turn on this HT. This is the HT. You can see here as HT start. Here it is written as HT start. So I am just turning it on. Now you can see that a red indicator has glowed, which indicates your HT or high tension value is on. Okay. So after these steps, I can just increase the voltage. So I am gradually increasing the voltage. You can observe this voltmeter reading as well. Meanwhile here also. So I am gradually increasing this. So you can see that the voltmeter voltage is being increased. You can see a spark over there. A small spark is coming. You can see that here you can see here the HT, this indicator, it is dark now, which means the dielectric strength has lost and the electrode starts conducting. Okay, that means your oil has lost its dielectric strength. You can just press this memory button to see the voltage value. It is approximately 5 or approximately 10. 5 volt. It's approximately 5 volt or so. Okay, so that means it is actually not volt. You can see the dial, it is kilovolt. That means that much kilovolt this particular transformer oil can withstand. So after doing this experiment, again bring back the auto transformer to minimum position, then switch off this main supply and switch off the power supply. Now you can repeat the same experiment by providing the spacing between the electrodes as 4 mm. For doing so, you can remove the thing and you can place this 4 mm thickness rod between the electrodes, and you can repeat the same experiment all over again. And when you are increasing the gap between two electrodes, you can see that the voltage value which the transformer oil can withstand will increase. As the space increases, the amount of voltage that this transformer oil can withstand also increases. The same thing you can repeat with any thickness. For the time being, we will be doing only with this two thickness. Also, you can check different transformer oils, like this one particular transformer oil, and if this oil is being continuously used, we can say that the dielectric property decreases. So the dielectric strength of the transformer oil depends upon the age of the transformer also. So this is the experiment that we are doing to check the dielectric strength. Now the same kit can be used for check the dielectric strength of different materials also. So this is about the transformer test.